So this is a Bridgeport Adcock Shipley we're currently rebuilding. The knee's just been put back on after coming back from regrind. You see this has all been reground here. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and there's the table and the saddle waiting to go back on there. Now we've just done the knee drive gears, so these gears here. So there's two of them. There's a bevel gear. We put a new beautiful chromed handle on. They're available from our spares. So just log on to gtmachineparts.co.uk and you can buy that handle if you want it. You can buy the new gears. You can buy the bearings from underneath there as well. It's called a knee bearing. They're all available. So I'll just show you how quiet this is running now. If I turn this handle, you can now see the gears moving. Absolutely silent. And that's the way they should be. So over time, unfortunately, swarf does get down into here through the slides, and you want to get rid of all the swarf, obviously, from the gears, and then re-grease. Sometimes this bevel gear needs to be adjusted outwards, and you can see you can do that. Well, this particular one's got a nut on the end, but there's also a grub screw that goes in the side in some of them. So that sometimes needs adjusted in or out to make sure the gear is running nice and silent. So there we go. It's running super smooth. So the next, we've just fitted the brake, that's all working. And we're going to be servicing the oil system once we put on the saddle. And we're going to start to rebuild the X and the Y axes next.